Horses out, Mutian and Pasay moving up now on the outside, Warchip together with Judate. Also moving up now, Dakota Elegance running by the rally Iron Edge and Zing a new song is the early trailer. Mutia ng Pasay, the leader by about 2 lengths, and in second moving up now is Iron Edge. And in third comes Warchip, Judate in fourth position, and a long way back to sing a new song and Dakota Elegance. But Mutia ng Pasay, still the leader by a length. Iron Edge still in second. Warchip on the outside. Judate in fourth position. It's still Mutia ng Pasay. Iron Edge on the outside. Warchip and Judate. Mutia ng Pasay. Iron Edge fighting it out for the lead. Iron Edge on the outside. Mutia ng Pasay is fighting back down on the inside. It's now Iron Edge. Mutia ng Pasay is running by the rala. Iron Edge by half a length. Mutia ng Pasay is running by the rala. But Iron Edge now by about 2 lengths over Mutia ng Pasay. Iron Edge this time by about 2 lengths over Mutia ng Pasay. Warchip. It's still Iron Edge and finally Iron Edge. Second is Mutia ng Pasay. Warchip. Judate, Zing a new song, and Dakota Elegance comes in last.
The unofficial winner, Iron Edge, for 1,200 meters distance, clocking 24, 22 and a fraction, finishing at 24 for a total time of 1 minute